If we want to answer the question to where, for example, where are you going, we'll use the question word le'an. Le'an. However, to whom, it means to whom are you going? So we're seeing a person that is heading to a particular direction, but we know that his destination is a person, he's going to someone, then we'll ask him el mi. El mi. So if we want to answer the question to, and then to say the name of the person, we'll use the el preposition. For example, el Yossi, el Michal, el Sivan, el Abba, etc. For example, to Yossi, el Yossi. To Michal, el Michal. To Avi, el Avi. To Sivan, el Sivan. To Dad, el Abba. To Mom, el Ima. Excellent, so I hope you got the concept. Don't forget to write down all of those expressions in your notebook, and we're going to see each other in the next lecture.